Welcome to BotBee. Today in this video we will show you how to create a WhatsApp chat widget and use it on websites to gain subscribers. To create a chat widget for WhatsApp, from the BotBee dashboard go to WhatsApp Bot Manager. Select the WhatsApp account for which you want to create the chat widget, then go to Chat Widget and then click on Create button. This will redirect you to the Visual Flow Builder. In the Visual Flow Builder we can see there is a Start Bot Flow and an Action button. We need to configure this action button. This action button configuration is actually the chat widget settings. First we need to add chatbot logo. Chatbox header color options, we can keep the default color, or we can change them. To change color just click on the color picker and select your desired color. There is a default display name, we can change it if we want. Also there is a default welcome message and a pre-fill message, we can keep them as it is or we can change them if we want. Then comes the chat box position. This refers to where the chat widget will show on your website. There are 4 positions to choose from, it is set to the bottom right by default. Then there is an option to keep the chat widget stay open or stay closed. The chat widget will be open for stay open and closed for stay closed. We can also change the position of the chat widget by pixels, by using the offset X and offset Y. Just change the value in pixels to change the location of the chat widget by pixels. Then we have delaying chat box initialization. This is the time duration for how late the chat widget will appear after the website loads. We can set this time from 0 to 60 seconds. These are the settings for the button of the chat widget. There is a default button text, we can change this if we want. We can change the button background, button text, button hover, and button text hover color. To change color just click on the color picker and select your desired color. Then we have button size, we can choose any size from the 3 available sizes, then put a unique reference. We may only use alphanumeric characters in this field, don't use any space or special characters. Then save the action. Double-click on the StartBot flow and give a name for it. Now we will add replies to this chat widget. We can add any kind of bot replies like text, image, audio, video, interactive, etc. We can also use buttons, sequence, user input flow, conditions, and so on. Let's add a simple text reply. Double-click on the text element to add text. Next let's add an interactive reply. Connect it with the previous reply. Double-click on this element to add data. In the header we can use text or images. For an image select the image option, click to upload an image. Then write the message body. To add buttons with the interactive element just drag the connector from the button socket and leave the cursor to get the button. We can add a maximum of 3 buttons. Double-click on the button to enter button text and select the type of button. We can create a bot as big as we want. Now let's save the bot. Now click on the Get Embed Code button to get the JavaScript code. Here we can see a JavaScript code and a short link URL to use on emails or share anywhere in the internet. We just need to add this JavaScript code on the website. Now if we go to the website, we will see the chat widget. We can redesign, change the position and change the behavior of this chat widget. Let's click on the chat widget button to see if it is sending a reply or not. Yes, everything is exactly fine. Now if we go to the subscriber manager, we should see the user on our subscribers list. So this is how we can create a WhatsApp chat widget to use on our website to communicate with our users and also to gain subscribers. Thank you for watching the video.